Hi riders, if you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycles news, action, and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club. Hey there, fellow riders and enthusiasts. Welcome back to Bikers Club. Today, we're diving into the future with a bike that's turning heads in the motorcycle world. So buckle up your helmets and join us on this adrenaline-fueled journey through the world of motorcycling. Triumph is expanding its Scrambler line with the all-new 2024 Triumph Scrambler 400X. It's the British company's first single-cylinder scrambler since the T25T Trailblazer of the early 1970s. The Scrambler 400X is true to form, as it is an off-road capable relative of a street bike, the also new Triumph Speed 400. So let's unscramble the facts, so you know what this motorcycle is all about. The wheels establish the 2024 Triumph Scrambler 400X as a motorcycle you can take into the dirt. Although it doesn't have wire-spoke wheels, the 400X does have a 1917-inch wheel set with ADV-class Metzeler Karoo Street tires, sporting a 70/30 street dirt bias. However, with these wheels, you can go with tires more suited to off-road riding, should you prefer the dirt end of the Scrambler perspective. If you like the Scrambler styling but want to stick to the pavement, more street-oriented tires are available. ABS is standard and can be disabled for off-pavement riding. Triumph gave the 2024 Scrambler 400X semi-long travel suspension. Each wheel has nearly 6 inches of travel. The fork is an inverted Showa design, and the rear shock has a piggyback-reservoir. Adjustment is limited to shock Spring-preload. The Scrambler 400X dedicated chassis produces different geometry than its Speed 400 brother. The street's wheelbase is stretched 1.6 inches, giving the Scrambler 400X a 55.8-inch wheelbase. The Scrambler has 4.3 inches of trail, an increase of 0.3 inches over the Speed. While those two numbers suggest increased stability, some agility is regained with just 23.2 degrees of rake, down 1.4 degrees from the Speed. The Scrambler 400X's seat is 32.8 inches above the ground, 1.7 inches higher than the Speed 400. Many model-specific features up the curb weight of the Scrambler 400X to 395 pounds, 20 pounds more than the Speed 400. Adding to the weight is a larger diameter front wheel, longer travel suspension, extended wheelbase, a larger front brake disc, wider handlebar, handguards, different mirrors, and a larger brake pedal. The Scrambler has a two-piece seat, compared to a single-piece seat on the street, though we're not sure if there's any weight difference either way. The torque peak of 28 ft-lbs comes at 6,500 revolutions per minute, and 40 horses come online at 8,000 revolutions per minute. However, the 4-valve motor has impressive torque numbers from 2,500 revolutions per minute all the way to the 9,500 revolutions per minute redline, which should make it easy to ride on and off-road. Like the Speed 400, the Scrambler 400X has an exhaust that runs under the motor. While that may not fit the Scrambler persona, it keeps the catalytic converter away from the rider's leg. The motor has Bosch ride-by-wire fueling and ignition. While there is only one power mode, traction control is standard and defeatable. The power is run through a 6-speed transmission. The compact clutch has assist and slip functions. LEDs are used for all lighting. The dash offers plenty of information in both modern and classic ways. The speedometer is analog style, with an LCD dash grafted onto the right side. The LCD lets you know your gear position, rev count, fuel gauge, and other pertinent information. There's also a powered USB-C port. The key has a transponder chip and locks up electronic circuits when removed. This is a deterrent to ride-away theft. 2024 Triumph Scrambler 400X price, $5,595. If you're as excited as we are about the world of motorcycles, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay tuned to Bikers Club for more thrilling rides, in-depth reviews, and the latest updates from the fast-paced world of two-wheelers. Ride safe, fellow bikers.